Crypto, listen, Ethereum has doubled in the last month. Will that happen with a stock? When it does happen, and it does happen, it's like, whoa, a stock just doubled. A lot of the times a stock will go up gradually, but it will not drop as quickly as well. Cryptocurrency, there is a bit of ambiguity around it, and so therefore what tends to happen is like, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers, my sisters, stocks or cryptocurrency. I know it's the hot topic at the moment, not necessarily stocks, but a lot of people are talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, which one and how much? Well, look, that's something I want to talk to you guys about today. How much should you guys be putting into cryptocurrency a month? How much of your money should be going into crypto and in stocks? Which one is better, and how much do I invest in, and what do I invest in? I'm going to go through that, inshallah. Watch until the end. Before we get in, if you guys are new, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, and like this video. It helps me out a lot. So inshallah, let's get right into it. So crypto's been on the hot scene for the last year. Everyone's been talking about it. Bitcoin's been going crazy. It's multiplied a lot. Ethereum recently has been going up. It's doing bits. What do I say about it? I'm going to tell you guys. Look, there isn't a single person out there that can wholeheartedly say, I completely understand cryptocurrency. Like, I totally get it. Like, it's impossible for what I am saying to not go okay. Now, we've got China coming out with their own cryptos. We've got other governments banning cryptos. The issue here with cryptocurrency is there's a lot of ambiguity about it. And where there's ambiguity, you know, when it goes up, you're always a bit fearful that it will drop. You're always fearful. I mean, this happened, by the way, a few years ago when cryptocurrency went crazy. But it went crazy, crashing down as well. And I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but there is that chance. And so, my brothers and sisters, would I tell you guys to invest half of your money into crypto now because I believe it's going to go up? Listen, I get messages and DMs all the time asking me, how much should I invest in crypto? Well, I'm going to tell you. If you're making £3,000 a month, for example, and you're spending £1,500, I don't know, let's say you've got £1,000 left. You've got £1,000 left in investments, what you want to invest. I personally would put a fraction of that amount into cryptocurrency. Why? Because I'm someone who invests in stocks. Stocks. What is the issue with stocks? Are they permissible? Are they not? I'm going to tell you, there is a difference of opinion on whether stocks are permissible or not. This is a question I've asked many people. Some of the major scholars do tell us that stocks overall are not permissible. There are other scholars, and I have spoken to some of the sheikh that I actually speak to on a daily basis and I follow, and you know, maybe I don't want to take their name because they haven't told me to put this out there. But when I ran it through them, what they have said, stocks are permissible as long as majority of the work done by the company is halal. And by that, we will say, like, you know, a manufacturing company or something like that. A stock like that is okay, it's permissible, you can invest in it. Having said that, there is a very valid opinion, and 100% there is another side which the stocks are not permissible. And the simple reason for that is that any company that is on the S&P 500, any company that is out there, they deal in interest, they deal in riba. And when they deal in interest and riba and you're investing in them, in essence, you may be classified, or of course, the people of knowledge, they will say that you are classified as someone who is also therefore dealing in the riba, dealing in the interest. And so, very valid opinion, totally understand it. Who am I to say anything against it anyway? But the sheikh that I follow says that no, the work itself, if the company, the work that itself they do is halal, then you can invest in that company. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. This discussion could go on forever. So there's two sides to it. I do invest in stocks. I only invest in stocks which are like manufacturing, stocks which basically have no, you know, dealings with interest, banking, you know, alcohol, you know, the madness, entertainment stuff, nothing like that. So I always try to keep my investments halal in that way. And out of the two, I tend to put a lot more money into stocks. Why do I put a lot more money into stocks? Well, the simple reason for that is because if we look at the stock market over the last 15, 20 years, it has only gone up close to 10 to 15% every single year. Every single year, nearly every single year. On average, 10 to 15% is going up. And so it's a market, if you know what you're doing, if you believe in a company, if you believe in their model, if you believe in what they do, it's a lot more safe. It's a safe investment. Crypto, listen, Ethereum has doubled in the last month. Will that happen with a stock? when it does happen, and it does happen, it's like, whoa, a stock just doubled. A lot of the times a stock will go up gradually, but it will not drop as quickly as well. Cryptocurrency, there is a bit of ambiguity around it, and so therefore what tends to happen is, like, if an article comes out, if a country bans it, if something happens, if one of the big banks that say something against cryptocurrency, boom, it plummets. And of course this happens when it comes to stocks as well, but when it comes to stocks, like, there's a lot more to it, a lot more substance. But my brothers and sisters, how much would I put into crypto and stocks on an average scaling basis investment if I had £1,000? £1,000, I would probably put in £200 into cryptocurrency and £800 into stocks. If that was my investment, way of putting investment in every single month, that's how much I would put in into the stock market and into the cryptocurrency side. Having said that, I totally understand why some people might put in more into crypto, because they genuinely believe it. Like, I know people who believe it. Now, is cryptocurrency halal? Allah knows best. There are people who have said that it is not okay. Ustad Muawiyah Tucker, who I have done lives with many times, is on my Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me on Insta already, by the way, go follow me on Insta. I'll leave the link below. It's Abu Musa_CH. Ustad Muawiyah Tucker speaks about Bitcoin being halal. Cryptocurrency, though, Bitcoin can be halal and another cryptocurrency can be haram, because they may deal with riba. It's the same way. Like, if the coin itself is purely for haram purposes, of course, then it's not going to be permissible for you to invest in that. So always look at what the crypto is, what the purpose of the cryptocurrency is. And so I hope, my brothers and sisters, this benefits you guys, gives you an idea of what I would do in terms of my investments. I'm not saying you guys have to do this, by the way. I'm not saying this is the right way. I'm just saying what I would do is invest 80-20. And for me, alhamdulillah, it's worked out okay. Of course, recently I've missed out on some gains in crypto, right? But I'm happy with it, alhamdulillah, because over the past 3-4 maybe years, I've gained a lot when it comes to stocks as well. So, we take it where we take it and we leave it where we leave it. I don't even know if that made sense, to be fair. But alhamdulillah, listen, I want to end on the fact that it is the night, it's the 23rd tonight. So if you're watching this, firstly, why are you watching this? But not that I don't want you to watch this. I do want you to watch this, but I don't want you to not do ibadah. So I'm going to leave a message that, listen, it's the odd night. It's 23rd night. We've got 6 days left. So try to make the most of Ramadan. Honestly, make as much dua as you can. This time, it shouldn't really be about money. It shouldn't be about anything else apart from ibadah. You carry on with your work and don't worry about money as much during this period. I know I'm at work right now, but I will be leaving early. Now, that's all from me today. I hope you guys benefit from this video. As always, like the video, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you guys haven't. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.